As individuals and businesses in India, we often need access to credit to meet our financial needs. However, it's important to strike a balance between short-term and long-term credit needs to maintain a healthy financial standing. Here are some tips on how to balance short-term and long-term credit needs in India. Identify your financial goals. Before taking on any form of credit, it's important to identify your financial goals. Short-term goals may include paying off high-interest debt, while long-term goals may include saving for retirement or purchasing a home. Understanding your financial goals will help you determine the type and amount of credit you need. Determine the cost of credit. The cost of credit is an essential factor to consider when balancing short-term and long-term credit needs. Short-term credit, such as credit cards, often comes with high interest rates, while long-term credit, such as mortgages or car loans, generally comes with lower interest rates. It's important to weigh the cost of credit against the benefits it provides to determine whether it's a viable option. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, it's crucial to prioritize debt repayment before taking on additional credit. By paying off high-interest debt, you'll free up your cash flow and reduce your overall debt burden, making it easier to manage both short-term and long-term credit needs. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected financial emergencies can arise at any time, and having an emergency fund can help you avoid relying on credit to meet these needs. It's important to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses to protect yourself from financial shocks. Consider a financial advisor. If you're struggling to balance your short-term and long-term credit needs, consider seeking help from a financial advisor. They can help you create a financial plan that addresses your immediate needs while also planning for your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, balancing short-term and long-term credit needs in India is essential to maintain a healthy financial standing. By identifying your financial goals, determining the cost of credit, prioritizing debt repayment, building an emergency fund, and seeking help from a financial advisor, you can strike the right balance and achieve your financial objectives.